now I want there was something, so obviously like everybody knows that there's something fun as a workshop, and I also made an announcement about 45 minutes, like no 30 minutes before we came into the live video, that everybody please carry a pen and paper, because there's something exciting that Rohit's gonna
Yes,
like
yes.
do a fun activity with all of us. So
Yeah.
yes, I am very excited. Can you please tell us a little more about this activity, Rohit?
So what I mean, you had said like do like a workshop with our viewers. So I mean, I
Yes.
don't even know what that is, but I thought like we can like use this as a opportunity. And I mean, they're all in lockdown. I think this is a very good time to sort of channel the Rumi and the Shakespeare within each one of us and like become writers. I genuinely believe like everyone has like stories to tell, and here's your chance to sort of like put pen to paper and just write for yourself, guys. So this is a little exercise that like we had done in drama school. A friend of mine, Radhika, had sort of like introduced me to this exercise. It's quite exciting to just like get the creative juices, flowing. Do you have your pen and paper?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So now on your pen, like you want to do this, and then we'll demonstrate, and maybe you can like do this with your friends, your family, whoever you would like to, guys. But so on your paper, I'm going to ask you a few questions, very simple questions. Just keep like writing them in like one line or something.
Okay.
Okay. So the first question is, write a line of your favorite song.
Okay.
Done?
Okay.
Okay. Next, write one piece of advice that you have got in the past.
One piece of advice that we've gone in the past.
Or like viewed, or like that has stuck with you.
Okay. Next.
Okay, so wait, show me how you're writing it.
I'm actually penning it down on my notes on my
No, it had to
laptop.
be a physical paper. You millennials are ruining everything. Writing मतलब कागज और कलम. Desk पे बैठ के लिखो.
But I can show you what I'm writing here.
No, you can't get a pen and a paper.
I can, but you'll have to excuse me then for a minute and keep the audience entertained.
No,
Then
it's okay. We'll do that later. So, but like guys, yeah, like why I insist on it being pen and paper, because like there is a mind-body connection when you're actually sitting down and writing with your hand as opposed to typing.
Wow.
So preferably, no, not just like, I mean, it genuinely is. So like preferably like make a like list of things. So okay, we did two questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Third question.
Okay. Have this with me right here now. I can write it.
Oh yeah. Okay, great. Thank you. Family is always to the rescue.
Yeah, right here.
So what was the first question? I forgot.
Yes.
One word like a song. Write the like a line from a song that you really like.
Okay.
And now fold it.
Done.
Give it a fold on top and cover it.
Okay.
Show me how you fold it.
Showing. I'm just writing, 1 second. Like that?
Yeah, exactly like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And now write the next. What was my next question? One piece of advice that someone has given you and that has stuck with you. Oh, you wrote both? Okay, you folded both. Okay. Then the one thing that you will do after this lockdown is over.
Okay. God, I'm such a foodie. I can only think of food.
By all means, write that.
Yeah.
Then
okay.
Describe the most beautiful scenery that you've ever seen.
Describe. Okay.
Then in one sentence, okay.
Okay.
Then in one sentence, write the last dream that you remember having.
It's very funny, but yeah.
Yeah, by all means, you should have fun.
Okay.
And okay, so now I'm going to count till 10. You will put pen to paper and you will not stop writing until it's 10 seconds. Just write whatever
Okay.
comes to your mind. If it's I don't know, just write I don't know. Okay?
Okay.
Your time starts now. You write. Three, two, one. Stop. Finish
Okay.
whatever you want to write. It doesn't need to be so strict. But this is another exercise. Again, I would like to tell all your viewers to sort of do on a daily basis. Literally, put 10 minutes to the clock and just
Yeah.
write. You'd be surprised as to the great things that come out of something that small and exercise. So now
Okay.
you want to read out your answers to us?
Okay. Yeah, it could be embarrassing, but yeah, okay. I
That
can.
is the fun. Go for it.
Okay, so which from the first one, like, do I unfold this or how do I go about it?
Yeah. Unfold it and from the top.
Okay. And from the top, I should tell you one line that I think the song line, right? One of my favorites, right?
Just
आज
read out each answer.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो. Don't worry, be happy. Eat at Yum Yum Cha. Water. And then I got corona. And then I have a lot to explore and travel the world.
Okay. So now, if this were a story, now take the liberty to sort of fill in the blanks so that they're actually connected in a way. You want to try doing that now?
Okay, sure. आज जाने की जिद ना करो because life is all about don't worry and be happy.
Yes.
जब मन करे you can eat at Yum Yum Cha.
Exactly.
And take your favorite meal to where you find water and you can hear the sound of the waves. While chilling, it could happen that you realize that you've got corona. And then regret on the fact that I have a lot to explore and travel the world.
There's your story. Round of applause. But I think it's a legit story right there. You have something.
Yeah, that makes me a storyteller of a disaster. This thing that I got coronavirus. I'll share this dream with you. It was like one of the most funny things that happened. I woke up at 5 in the morning and I'm walking paranoid all around the house. And my mom woke up at around 6:30 and she just was like, you didn't sleep all night? I said, no, I slept. I just woke up. And she's like, don't lie. I said, no, I swear I slept and I woke up. She said, to what? I said, I think I've got corona. And my mom is just looking at me that I've gone crazy right early in the morning.
No, I think at
I was
every
just
point
coughing.
he thinks he got corona. Yeah.
I was coughing. It was just the paranoia. I was coughing because of the change of weather.
And yeah.
And
No.
I thought,
I feel a little thing in my throat and I'm like, oh fuck, what is going on? Oh, sorry, language people.
Yeah.
But yeah,
you should do this exercise too.
Do this exercise, but really tell people to do. You can do with someone, but do the free writing where you just
I have something interesting. How about all of you, if you want to, why don't you put up this story on your stories and tag us so that we can read your stories because it's a lot of fun.
Do send it to us and we'll repost the fun stories that we find most fun.
Yeah, and if you want to keep it
There's
private,
more. You want
then
to
you
do
can
more,
DM us.
Do we have time to do another exercise?
Yes, we can. Of course. It's a Saturday night. It's a free night.
Yeah, it's a free night. Let's get creative juices flowing. So, this is another exercise. We know A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
So, I will start a story. I will say one sentence. Okay. A full sentence. Starting with A. Then you will continue and you're saying the same story. But you will start a sentence starting with B. Then I will start the sentence starting with C.
Okay.
You got it? Very, fairly simple, right?
Okay. Like try 2 sentences so then I can catch up with it. So I'll just get the flow.
Okay, so I'll start. I'll start with A. A long,
Okay.
long time ago, there lived a boy named Jojo.
Okay, so now I have to start with B or C?
Yeah. B.
Do I start with B?
And the same story. Yeah.
Okay.
So my sentence is a long, long time ago, there lived a boy named Jojo.
Okay. So that boy was stuck
B.
at
It has to
home.
be B. It has to be with
B.
B. Huh.
Okay. Before the long, long time ago, this boy did not have a name.
That's good.
It was just blank. This boy does not have a name.
So then I start a sentence with C. Because when he was born, the people forgot to name him. You start with D.
Dear, but then he didn't exist.
What?
Because I mentioned before. Dear, but he didn't exist because I mentioned before. It's just not to be that much.
So now I do with E. Yeah. So what has happened? He doesn't exist before.
Yeah.
Every time you saw him, it was like he was alive.
Okay. From the heaven above. He was alive from the above.
From the heaven above, that's your sentence, huh? Oh, no.
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Wow, you have to remember it like that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That was nice. Okay. How many beers are you down, Rohit?
One. But so I mean, this is another way you can sort of go on about your story. Like if you sit with your family and stuff. Or you can like write pen to paper if you're